Hi, good morning. Thank you for helping user test TAGDit. So this is TAGDit. This is the main page, and it's going to change, and the reskin is happening. But it's exciting because we're going to finally kind of invite on some more people to do the research projects. And research projects are quite fun, and I love them. So here we go. We sign in. So please sign in, and then this is what it looks like when you sign in. And these are my portals. These are my research projects. And so the one of them I'm going to focus on with you today is the farm. And so the farm is something that I'm trying to build and get going. And as everyone knows, farming is really hard to make any profit. So it's just kind of fun, adventurous kind of thing that I get to do right now. Anyway, so this is what I call the storefront page. And if there's another farmer down the road or something and want to access all the data that I've collected over time, then they're welcome to access this page. And they can buy library access. I can give it to them for free. They can join the portal, or they can ask a question, and they can ask me a paid question or a free question, just about farming and getting farming going. And so we can edit this page by clicking here. We can view how many members. So I guess there's 18 right now. And what I'd like to do is invite you all to join just to see how it works. And when we go into the Funberry Farm research library, so now we're on the inside, these are all the tags that I've collected from around the internet, different web pages, different sources, suppliers, so on and so forth. Oh, so this is all teams. I got to go down here and we'll get Funberry Farm. So this is a data room, an online data room. And so the Funberry Farm is something that is intended to share. It's knowledge management. It's sharing, and especially with my kids, about ideas about the future and what kind of livestock we're going to raise, and if we're selling eggs and what kind of eggs, and the neighbors. And so the journey that we've been through and the decisions that we've made to get to where we are today. And so this is, we can suggest an egg label carton right here. And this is important that everyone has buy-in and you get stakeholder kind of feedback on it too. And so we can click on any one of these. And so these are, my daughter was thinking of selling some silky chicken stuffies just for fun. And so that's kind of what the inside looks like. So what we can do when we're in the research portal is we can post questions to the team. And so it's a bit of an intranet. And if we post questions to the team, then there's different ways to answer. And one of the particular ways that I'm trying to test, so you add right here, top right corner, you can add a post, a question, or a notice. So a new question would look like this, and the type of question, you can just have an open-ended question, or you can have polling with choices. And so what happens is we get into some nooks and crannies with this, but I'm testing a transferable vote too. So I could transfer my vote to my daughter or my son or to someone else, a member of the team, and then as that happens, people start becoming experts in certain things. So just like in real life. And so how do we get data into this? So we can add it manually like this, or what we can do is, I'll show you a couple examples here. We go to the outside internet, and right now I was playing around with buying this for some reason. Don't ask why. It's just a fun hobby thing. So we have this TAGDit clipper here. Just one sec here. So we want to click on this link, and then we want to add this to the TAGDit database. And I'm going to add it to a different portal, but this is kind of what it looks like. And so I store this page, and you can edit this and remove some of the unwanted information on here too. So I can delete this, for example. But we have this source, and so this is a citation. So I want to make sure that this is importantly tracked, this source. And then what we would do is hit save, and so then it would save it directly to our data portal. So this is like a clipper, and then we can click here to see the post. on the inside of the data room right now. And so that's how that works. Also, what I like to do is to try and find great videos or great content out there for potentially marketing. And this is one that is really silly, but it's a husband and wife, and I don't recommend doing this, but this lady has really wonderful reactions. But it's important here that Shanity Fair is referenced. And on this video, it's referenced down in this corner here. And this is so that you can go back and find out who this real person is that created that content. So we want to make sure our citations are really great. But how I would cite this or record it is we go again to our TAGDit clipper. And then what we want to do instead of just clipping this page is we can click this button here, and this is being upgraded, and then this appears on the side. We're going to take a picture, or we can take a screenshot. So we want to do this one, share, and then now this page is being recorded. And so then I play this, and we only can record a short duration of it, but then you click here again, stop recording, and then we post this video or save this video, so on and so forth. So right now I'm just going to close this, but that's how that works. So what we want to do is go around, and I hope you can pick a research project. So load up a research project, your favorite thing, your hobby, your business, and start researching. And researching is really great. I think it's really good for you. It's really healthy. And so what problem is this solving? This problem is that we're always sending these kind of digital messages or forwards to our friends or family, our stakeholders. And what we want to do is bring in more stakeholders to really view kind of our research process on the internet, because we lose a lot of that information. Our colleagues lose it. So thank you so much. Please dig in, try and find all the nooks and crannies in here, all the bugs, and just let me know how you use it too. Like, how do you find it useful, and what did you like about it, what don't you like about it? And so my hope in summary is that it's kind of like a corporate Pinterest. In my previous life at a company I was with, we kept sharing information on the internet and kept searching and finding the same information. So I want to kind of collect that, make it a little nucleus for our sensory spheres when we're researching. We can pull generative AI out, or we can predict and suggest things for our team, not our individual self, but the team that we're on. So these are all the current research projects, so have a look through. I hope you can title it Research. That's really what what the TAGDit is there for, is to research properly, to citation properly, to gather this information, not lose it over the years, and then you have something valuable. You can sell it if you want, your research, and it's a bit of microfinance, so you can set any price you want, and yeah, again, just have fun with it. I hope you have great research projects, and TAGDit's hope is to help you build whatever it is you're building, dream whatever it is you're dreaming, and to really come out with something at the end of it. So thanks.